If your pain shoots from your low back down the back of your thigh into your calf or foot, or runs down the side of your leg into your shin, or even to the front of your quad, those are not random pain patterns. Each one points to a specific nerve root being affected, usually by a disc in your lower back. And the good news is you can start fixing it right now at home. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, founder of RehabFix. We've helped thousands of people with low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to teach you how to identify which nerve root is involved in your pain in a simple 3-step process to reduce disc pressure, calm the nerve, and finally feel relief from sciatica. So even if your pain is going down the back of your leg, side of your leg, front of your leg, this can all be sciatica. And that's because the sciatic nerve is comprised of branches from L4 to S3. So if any one of these is affected, it can be sciatica, and it can be located in different regions of your leg. One of the most common nerve roots that affect it is the S1 nerve root, which is going to go down the back of the thigh into the foot or calf. The L5 nerve root is more of the side of the thigh, shin, top of the foot, and L4 is going to be more like hip and quad. Now, although each of these point to a specific nerve that's being compressed, this is most commonly from a disc herniation in the lower back. So different pain locations, but same source. Just because your pain is showing up in different locations doesn't mean you have a different problem. And the problem is certainly not in the leg. It's not where you feel the symptoms. It's in the lower back. And that one low back issue could be causing the pain in all these different regions. So here's the good news. You don't need to guess anymore. And you certainly don't need to be chasing symptoms in the leg, because that massage you're doing for your leg, foam rolling the leg, stretching the leg, that typically just irritates the nerve even further and is preventing you from healing. Remember, sciatica is a low back issue. So let's start reducing the pressure on the nerve at the source. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. First, we're going to unload the disc and take pressure off of the nerve. Lay on your back, put your feet on the wall so that your hips and your knees are at a 90-degree angle. Now put one hand on your belly and focus on deep, relaxed belly breathing. This will help your low back melt into the floor. It will turn off those tight muscles in your lower back that could be compressing the disc. It will calm your nervous system, which is incredibly important, and it will begin to build intrinsic spine stability, meaning the way your spine stabilizes from the front is through intra-abdominal pressure, diaphragm pressure, learning how to stabilize. You have the muscles in the back that support the spine from the back, but from the front, it has to be our breathing, our abdominal pressure. And this helps train that and begins to wake it up. Now, after performing this for at least 5 minutes, you are going to feel more relaxed. Your pain will be reduced. Now we can begin actually loading the disc and reducing the extent of the bulge. Roll over onto your stomach. Prop up on your elbows like you're watching TV, resting in a gentle extended position. This is going to begin to reduce pressure on the disc, because most of the time, disc issues are increased by sitting in flexion for long periods. You might notice things like bending forward to tie your shoes increases your back or leg pain. This is because flexion, bending forward, increases pressure on the disc and hits the nerve further. But if we do the opposite, like this exercise, propping up into extension, it puts opposite forces on the disc and helps work it back in, away from the nerve, restores mobility, and helps the disc find a better location. And the more you work into this repetitively, the better and better it's going to feel. So over time, you can progress this motion by switching to your hands and pushing further and further as you reduce the disc over time and as your mobility improves as your pain reduces. And then finally, now that 1, your nervous system's calmed down and you have some stability. 2, the disc is being reduced and pressure's off the nerve. Now the nerve is free to be addressed. So last, lay on your back, bend the non-painful leg, hold the painful leg. Straighten the leg as you point the foot backwards and look up at the same time, and then bend the knee as you point the foot down and bring your chin to your chest. This is a sciatic nerve floss. And what this is doing is it's actually sliding the nerve back and forth now that pressure is off of it. If the disc is still hitting the nerve and you slide the nerve back and forth, it's going to irritate it further. But if we can get the disc off the nerve and the nerve is now free to move, this movement now becomes helpful. So as you bring your chin down, the nerve is being pulled up towards your low back. And when the chin is backwards and the foot is extended, it's being pulled towards your foot. So it's sliding back and forth, which improves mobility of the nerve, improves blood flow of the nerve, reduces inflammation, and gets more nutrients to the nerve to promote healing. So whether you have low back pain, numbness or tingling down the leg, or sharp nerve pain into any of these most common regions, focusing on the low back in the right ways will be the solution for you. But even if now you have this understanding, and you might have even achieved some relief from this video, most of you will, you could still be stuck. Because if you don't have the right steps for your situation, you could continue jumping from clinic to clinic or from YouTube video to YouTube video like everyone else who's still stuck in pain. So if you don't want this to be you and you're ready to get out of pain, then you can get a free Sciatica Fix demo with my team by texting me the word pain to 317-751-9509 to get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following our centralization process. And this process is designed exactly for the most common low back and sciatica issues. And we typically see on average 37% reduction in symptoms in a single session. And in unique circumstances, complete elimination of pain in as little as 15 days. You have nothing to lose except for the pain that you've been dealing with for far too long. So text me right now so you can give yourself a chance to get better. And after you text me, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my life and what we're doing for our clients to get them back pain-free for life. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in the program real soon.